That's not fruit.
A vegetable.
That's right. It is.
A vegetable.
What's it called?
Asparagus.
No, that is an eggplant.
An eggplant.
But that's not what we're going to be
From
making
an
today.
egg.
That's not from an egg. I don't know why they call it eggplant.
We're making
spaghetti.
Cool water, hot water.
Put the spaghetti in before the water is heated.
I
Mr. Greg says you
love
gotta do
it.
it after it's boiling, but I really can't see a difference.
Break it.
Here, I'll give you some to do. We can get all over the floor. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Oh!
Okay.
That went everywhere. Oh, dogs.
Now do one, because that one's hard.
Yeah, how about you do a smaller amount? How about you do this much? And I'll do this much.
Oh! Sausage and Vixix.
Biscuits? You mean biscuits?
Yes.
What?
Tito.
No, it's sauce. This is sauce.
Tito. Do we need big spoon for this?
I know we don't need tato or sausage and biscuits. Let me do the meat real quick, okay?
Okay.
Now, you want me to do it or you want to do it?
I want to do it.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Shake it like a sauce. Shake it like a sauce.
Hamburger.
Okay.
Now pour it in.
Yeah, I'll let you do this part. Just there you go.
We do next. We stir it.
You stir it. That's
It'll be yummy.
and you gotta stir slowly. Did it? Oh yes.
That's exciting.
I was not ready. You think that's? It's like chewing gum.
But mommy,
What?
because you put in water.
Okay, now?
Number 2.
Okay, test number 2. Try. You're the chef, so you tell me. What do you think?
So it's a little. I think just do it. It's good.
Okay. The sous chef is your assistant. I'm your assistant. Is this enough stirring?
Yes.
Okay. Thumbs up.